Starting out with Wave Oven Recipes. Today, I'm going to be cooking up waffle fries in the Power AirFryer Oven Elite and Nuwave Bravo XL Smart Oven. So it's going to be an air fry cook-off between the Power AirFryer Oven Elite versus the Nuwave Bravo XL Smart Oven. I've got myself some good old Idaho potatoes here. I'm going to get some of these cleaned off and get the skin off of them, and then I'll bring you on back and we'll get started making those waffle fries. Alright, so for this waffle fry recipe here, I got myself about 5 of those Idaho potatoes that I've washed and removed the skin from. Got some regular old canola oil and some regular old table salt for this one. And so the first step is to get the potatoes cut down into waffle fries. For anyone wondering, the Nuwave Bravo, I'm using the clock on there now. I just keep it plugged in all the time now, so that's why it's showing up there the time. So gonna go ahead, and this is my waffle fry cutter. Basically, to cut waffle fries, what you're supposed to do is slide down on the waffle fry cutter, and I've got some special gloves on. These are special protective gloves for, Lord willing, keep my hands from being cut. But you're supposed to be able to slide down like that, then turn 90 degrees and slide like this. And that one was kind of a waffle, but I'm going to turn 90 degrees again and cut. And turn 90 degrees again, press and cut. We're getting some waffle fry result there, so I'm just going to keep on going and rolling through these potatoes till I get myself some waffle fries. Alright, so you see that's one potato. Got us some real nice looking waffle fries there. They look real nice. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these over in this bowl and just continue. Alright, got my waffle fries all sliced up, look real nice. So just going to pour some oil and some salt on them and just kind of get them mixed up in that. I want some oil on mine. I don't believe you need to use any oil for these if you don't want to, but you know, I like a little crispiness on mine, and the oil should help with that a little bit. So just going to put a little oil and a little salt on them and just toss them around in there. Alright, so now I'm going to just start laying them out on the crisper basket, air fry basket for the Nuwave Bravo, and crisper trays for the Power AirFryer Oven Elite. Alright, so we got 3 crisper trays full here. We've got the air fryer basket full there. Lots of waffle fries. So I'm going to close the Power AirFryer Oven Elite up. I'm going to take and put the air fryer basket for the Nuwave Bravo up on the top level. I'm assuming that there's not going to be much drippage, so I'm not going to use anything underneath the air fryer basket, which will allow the Nuwave Bravo's top and bottom heating elements to really do their work big time. So for the Bravo, I'll just go ahead and get it started first. I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to hit the menu button to get the air fry. I do have to handicap the Nuwave Bravo a little bit because we know from experience that it does not usually air fry as quickly as the Power AirFryer Oven Elite does. So I want some, good air fried waffle fries out of both. So I'm going to turn the time up to 425. And hit time temp, and I'm going to set the time. I may not need 25, I'll keep an eye on them, but set it to 25 minutes, hit start. For the for the Power AirFryer Oven Elite, which I'm doing second because its fan is so much louder once it gets going. Gonna hit the power button, hit French fry. Gonna turn that up to 20 minutes, I believe that should be sufficient. So we got 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the max that the Power AirFryer Oven Elite will go, and I'll bring you back in a bit. Alright, sorry about the loud noise from the Power AirFryer Oven fan, but I'm seeing that the Nuwave Bravo waffle fries are getting overcooked a bit too fast. So I'm going to hit the time temp. I'm going to bring the temp down to 375 on those. Now over here on the Power AirFryer Oven Elite, I'm seeing things are getting kind of overcooked on the top, getting too hot. So I'm going to open up. I'm just putting a plate down here to be able to hold one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try and do a little rotation to try and keep any from overcooking. So, getting those out of there. You can see they're a bit well overcooked. Get these out. I'm going to try and put the bottom ones up to the top. And move these down bottom. I'll just leave the middle. The middle's getting a bit overdone, but we'll leave them in the middle. So I'm going to close up. Let those continue as well. Alright, over on the Nuwave Bravo, they've been going for 19 minutes now, and I think they're looking pretty done. So I'm going to hit pause, and some of them are pretty overdone even. But here's how they look there. So some are a little overdone, some are not. But I'm going to just go ahead and let those set for a moment, and we'll let the ones in the Power AirFryer oven been going for 18 minutes themselves. They have 2 more minutes to go. I'm going to let those continue to cook on. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Nuwave Bravo off. It just defaults back to the clock, and put my light on there. So I'll bring you back in a couple of minutes. Alright, they've been going in the Power AirFryer oven for 19 minutes now, but they're looking done. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop them there. So let me try and get the top rack out. You see, some of them are overdone a little bit. Some of them are done right, and some are overdone. In the middle, here's what we got in the middle. I think the middle may have come out the best, and they didn't get rotated at all, but probably should have maybe rotated sooner or something, I don't know. You can always leave a comment. Ones on the bottom probably should have been pulled. They're a little overdone down there. Probably should have just pulled those earlier, but that'll be alright. So going to take a good looking couple from the Nuwave Bravo. Set those there. And I'll take a fairly decent couple from the Power AirFryer Oven Elite. Just throw those out there. So there we go. We got some from the Nuwave Bravo Power AirFryer Oven Elite. I'll get the camera moved around and do a taste test. Alright, waffle fries. We're going to try the Nuwave Bravo waffle fry first. It's pretty good. Now I'm going to try the ones from the Power AirFryer Oven Elite. Alright, so here's the deal. Of course, with fries you can do some extra prep before you start cooking them to get some of the starch out of them, which I didn't do. Knowingly, I didn't do that. But here's the deal. The Power AirFryer Oven Elite cooks them up in a way that they're crispy and they don't have any real starchy taste to them. The ones that come out of the Power AirFryer Oven Elite. The Nuwave Bravo, they're a little moister, a little of that starchiness is in there. The Power AirFryer Oven Elite, in my opinion, gets the win for this waffle fry cook, with them, you know, being against each other like that. I like the Power AirFryer Oven Elite's results. So I would say for your waffle fries, go forward with the Power AirFryer Oven Elite. You just got to make sure you do some rotation or moving or taking things out so that you don't overcook things too much. But, you know, I hope that you all like this. Of course, I look forward to your comments. All right, so I got a little bonus fry action for you here. I've got myself one sweet potato. I've basically tried to skin it best I could. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to waffle fry cut this sweet potato. Then I'm going to get the pieces into here, pour some oil on it, get some applewood smoke, sea salt on it. Then I'm going to cook those up in the Nuwave Bravo XL Smart Oven Air Fryer, the way that I've done sweet potato fries before, where I roast them at 425. And basically going to check out how that goes. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the Smart Oven warmed up. I've got my rack on the second from the bottom. And so just going to turn it on and going to hit menu till I get the roast. I'm going to turn the temperature up to 425. I'm going to set the time, I'll leave it at 25. They only need 20 when they're fries, but you know, maybe I'll need another 5 minutes. I don't know, I'll keep an eye on it. But going to hit the start, let that preheat. While that's preheating, I'm going to be getting my sweet potato waffle fries together. Alright, so I'm going to stop there. I didn't put on my safety cutting gloves, so I'm not going to go any further with this. But I'm going to see what I can get fit into the baking pan here. Alright, so my Smart Oven has finished preheating. I'll just work on the rest of those later on. But I'm going to go ahead and get these in. And I'm going to cook and taste test these with you to end this out. So just turning the light on there. I'm going to go ahead and start. So I'll let these cook. I'll bring you back when they look like they're done. Alright, about 11 minutes have passed. I'm going to give them a spin. I'm just pausing and going to, well, maybe not. They're looking real done. Well, the one in the back looks overdone. So these may take less than 25 minutes at this rate. I'm just going to spin them around. I got one there that's just like way overcooked. I'm going to try and get it off. Just going to get some of these that are overcooked out the way. They're just way too overdone. Let's try and cook some of the rest that are not yet so overcooked. But I don't think we'll be going for 20 minutes at this rate. I'm just going to continue. Alright, so what I'm going to do from what I'm seeing, I'm just going to periodically pull some that I feel are getting near done or overdone till I think they're all done. But it seems like some are cooking faster than some others. So just getting them out of there and saving them before they get burnt up. I think that one there might be done also. We'll get that out of here. I don't know. Maybe I'll just get them all out. Yeah, I'll just get these all out at this point. Just save them all before they get overdone. So basically that was 13 minutes. And in 13 minutes time, we got this. So they were pretty well cooked. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little brown sugar and just sprinkle on these sweet potato waffle fries. And I'm just going to put the rest in and just start cooking those, but I won't keep you to cook through all of these. We'll just do some taste testing of the ones that are already done. Alright, so just going to taste test one of these sweet potato waffle fries, which I cooked in a Nuwave Bravo, because we know from previous sweet potato fry cooks that the sweet potato, because of how its consistency, it just cooks better kind of being roasted than trying to do it in an air fryer unless you do the additional prep to try and make them less soggy. So let's do a taste test. Let's go for one more. excellent. I mean, those are excellent. So now you see how to do the waffle fries with your regular potato. You can do waffle fries with your sweet potatoes. And so, you know, just the waffle fry with the sweet potato is just kind of like a little added bonus because I have one sweet potato lying around, so I figured I'd give you one bonus there. But anyway, I hope that you did like this video, and you can get this other recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you ever want to get directly to this YouTube channel, waveovenrecipes.com. Also Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and good eating.